Welcome back to Product Critique, your destination for in-depth reviews on the most essential home products. Today, we're diving into the best blackout curtains thermal insulated panels on the market. The Yakamok 100% blackout thermal insulated grommet curtains. If you're looking to block light, cut noise, and regulate room temperature, this might just be the ultimate sliding door curtain solution. Let's start with the basics. This curtain panel from Yakamok is designed for sliding glass doors, measuring a generous 100 inches wide by 84 inches long. That's over 8 feet in width and 7 feet tall. It comes in a neutral gray shade, perfect for blending seamlessly into modern or minimalist interiors. Made of 100% high-quality polyester, the panel features 16 silvery grommets for easy sliding and installation. The grommets have a 1.6-inch inner diameter, fitting most standard curtain rods. The design is clean, simple, and elegant, offering both form and function. Now let's talk about what makes this curtain stand out: its blackout capabilities. The curtain is constructed with 2 thick layers of triple weave polyester, with a black liner sewn in. This combination achieves 100% blackout performance, effectively blocking out all sunlight and harmful UV rays. Whether you work night shifts, have a home theater setup, or just need total darkness for better sleep, this curtain gets the job done. But it doesn't stop there. The thermal insulation is excellent. In winter, it helps trap warmth inside your room, while in summer, it blocks heat from coming through the glass door, reducing the burden on your AC or heating system. It's a smart, energy-efficient choice. One unexpected bonus with the Yakamok curtain is its soundproofing. Thanks to the dual-layer fabric, it can significantly reduce outside noise, giving you a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. If you live near a busy street or simply want to cut down on ambient noise, this curtain performs impressively. And when it comes to privacy, you're fully covered, literally. With its thick design and complete light-blocking ability, no shadows or silhouettes will show through from outside. Installation is quick and painless. Just slide it onto your rod and you're done. The grommets glide smoothly, making it easy to open or close the curtain whenever needed. It's machine washable. Just toss it in cold on a delicate cycle, dry on low, and iron on cool if needed. No fuss, no expensive dry cleaning. To wrap it up, the Yakamok 100% blackout thermal insulated curtain panel is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to improve their indoor comfort. It checks every box: 100% blackout, noise reduction, thermal insulation, energy efficiency, privacy, and easy care, all in a sleek, modern package. While it's sold as a single panel, that's often all you need for most patio or sliding glass doors due to its impressive 100-inch width. If you're in the market for something that does it all and lasts, this is easily one of the top-tier blackout curtain solutions available today. Don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff reviews on the most practical products out there. This is Product Critique. See you in the next one.